Hello everyone, my name is B. Jagdish. I am from EC Department A section. My rule number is 2195180463. My tech topic of TTSP is probability theory and stochastic process is covariance evaluation by means of uncertainty assessment. So let's get started. Introduction. One of the key points in modern measurement science is evaluation of measurement uncertainty according to the definition given by the International Vocabulary of Metrology and procedure recommended by Guide to the Expression of Uncertainty in Measurement and its supplements. According to these documents, when several sources of uncertainty are present, the related standard uncertainties shall be quadratically combined and the covariances must be considered if present. Several examples can be found in the literature where covariances play a significant role in evaluation of combined standard uncertainty, including but not limited to interlaboratory comparisons, system identification, sensor data fusion, and vision based measurements. These same examples show that covariances are not always easy to detect and evaluate, and strict mathematical methods to evaluate them along, although available, are often too complex, apply and time consuming. For this reason, covariances are often neglected or even roughly estimated, especially in industrial measurement process. Thus, ineffective and unreliable uncertainty estimation may be obtained. It is well known that a measurement process cannot return the true value of the measurement and that is value of measured quantity due to the presence of measurement errors that are generally unknown, unknowable, and are caused by a number of influence quantities. According to the recent development of measurement science, a measurement result cannot be expressed by a single value but a set of values being attributed to measurement altogether with any other available relevant information, where this information may be expressed in the form of probability density function. It can be then stated that a measurement result, hence the knowledge we have about the measurement, can be represented by the real random variable capital X. Every realization of this variable can be considered as value returned by the measurement process. According to GUM, X is characterized by a mean mu x equal to E of X and standard deviation called in measurement field standard uncertainty sigma x equal to root of E of X, where operator E is the mathematical expectation and V is the variance. An interesting problem arises when a generic quantity y is generally dependent on k other quantities x equal to x1 to xn that can be measured by the same or different measurement process and are affected by a number of influence quantities. Let us suppose that y can be evaluated through a non-measurement model if with a possible model error mu e equal to 0 independent of x side such that I 1 less than I less than k. It is y equal to f of x plus epsilon. The correct expression of measurement result of y requires to provide both mu y minus considered as maximum likelihood value of measurement and the standard uncertainty sigma variance y. The y is obtained through the measurement of x, mu y, and sigma y should be obtained from n. The well-known solution proposed by GUM is based on the first order expansion of f about mu x equal to mu x and mu x k. It is the expression f of x equal to f of mu x plus dou f by dou x1 mu x minus mu x1 plus so on dou f by dou xk mu x k x minus mu k. According to the approximation, expectation variance can be computed as mu y equal to f mu x sigma square y equal to I equal to 1k dou by dou x mu x square plus this is the equation which expectation variance can be computed. To evaluate and hence combine standard uncertainty, the covariance sigma xi xj equal to covariance xi xj must be evaluated. A covariance expresses the simultaneous correlated variation of measurement errors related to two quantities. It is positive when the variation of one variable implies a variation in the same direction of other variable. It is negative when the variation of other variable is in opposite direction. Covariance models mathematically the effects that are always unknown on measurements, uncertainty of influence quantities that are common either partially with xi and xj. As stated in introduction, its evaluation is not easy, especially when considered effects are not totally correlated. A possible simpler way is to estimate covariances is based on analysis of physical properties of influence quantities and the way they affect measurement. Uncertainty noise, for instance, can be often considered as a common source of uncertainty. However, its variation rate is so high during a measurement process that its effects on xi and xj may be considered totally independent. So that in this case, x sigma xi xj equal 0. From this perspective, it is possible to state that noise has a high opportunity to express its variation due to the measurement process. On the other hand, temperature is a common source of uncertainty that does not generally change during the measurement process. It may be remains constant or change in such a way that it affects xi and x. So, covariance model mathematically the effects that are always unknown on measurement uncertainty of the influence quantities that are in common either partially or with xi and xj. It may be constant or change in such a way that xi and x. On the other hand, temperature is a common source of uncertainty that does not generally change during the measurement process. Thank you.